Good morning, welcome back to Pine City Aviary. Today, just a little quickie. Last winter we tried to clean up the smoker. We tried to clean it with fire. Today we're going to finish that. Keep it off the grass. Go and put it on that stand. Gets on the grass and it just gets dirty again. Alright, so we'll let that cool, and then we'll come back and see if we can't scrape some of that out. The reason I'm doing that is because it's getting harder and harder to open and close. So, hi Junior. Hi Junior. So, once it cools down, we'll come back and we'll take a look at it and see if we can scrape some out. I'm not sure it closes any better yet. All right. This is my Delta miter box chop saw. My brother gave it to me. It's an old one. So we'll start off. That one's too small. Now I've already marked these where it needs to be cut. Right there. So this is like next to nothing. try a couple? Josh, you want to try a couple? Right. I've got the lines on where you need to cut. Here. What you do is put it out right there, then lower this down. If you look down, you'll see where the saw is. Yeah, pretty much right on the front. Okay. Then you squeeze the trigger. Hold on. I don't remember if I marked that twice, because I don't know if we can get two of them out of it. But I think just one. Okay. Is that your first time using a chop saw? No? No? Alright. So, that makes pretty easy work out of it. Now we're going to cut the grooves on the bottom. I'll bring you back for that. Alright, so I tried something different on the last few. I did a plunge cut in on one side, came across, and then took it out before finishing. The way that I kind of see it is that it is going to help as far as small hive beetles. I've not seen any ever here, but it gives them a little bit less space to hide in. So that's my projects for today. I want to thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. We really appreciate that. Have a great day.